Hey guys, welcome back to the Foul to Fair channel. Welcome back to me too. I've been working on a lot of projects and shooting a lot of video, but not spending a whole lot of time at the editing desk. You know, gotta do some fishing. But you're here to see whether or not this will work on your VW valve springs. I was curious too. But after a quick update on what I've been working on and what's coming your way, we'll get after it. Kinda looks like a little droid, doesn't it? Pew, 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 pew. See you in a minute. But I've been working on this Elite 80 Honda scooter, put a new carburetor on it. Video coming soon. And I built this 72 standard Beetle. When I found out about the lockdown, I basically went and bought this as a raw hull and spent all my time in some treasure troves, not junkyards, treasure troves. And about 6 weeks with the help of some guys from some of the clubs, got it together. And runs pretty good, but it has a Brazilian block in it. And, you know, just nothing special about it. So I went and bought this AK block, which is awesome, but the previous owner didn't adjust the valves and I guess ran it without a filter. So that thing was pretty much a mess. I'm doing the rings and the valves, and that's what brings us to our video today. We'll talk about that Pittsburgh Universal overhead valve compressor. Yeah, it's a cheapo HB tool. Guess what? Not only did it work, it was super easy. Check it out. Alright guys, so the trick is, first of all, wear some gloves, and I'm always wearing safety glasses, is to not be greedy. You know, just get those jaws on a couple of coils down on each side. You don't really have to gobble up too many to get this retainer out. And keep a magnet handy and a nice soft mallet. And you see, I just kind of got it about where I want it. And it does have this kind of retainer plate here. Don't rely on that, okay? Just guide this thing down real slow. Take your time. So I'm just going to start cranking. And I'm just making sure the tool is staying nice and centered to where it's not going to cover up those retainer pins coming out. Just keep cranking until it bottoms out. Right there. Alright. Flip it over a little bit. Our valves come out. It's spinning around free. I'm actually just going to kind of balance the head right here. And just give that a little tap. You hear it come loose. Carefully flip it back over. You notice I'm holding the compressor the whole time. Alright. Now I'm going to stick the hammer under here to hold that valve up. Now that I've got that there, I take my handy magnet, and you can kind of push this down, and those retainers are just going to kind of want to pop out. And there's a lot of oil and junk in there, but if you pull the spring over, it comes right out, no problem. And then kind of dipsy doodle the valve the other way, and that other retainer is going to give me trouble. No big deal. There you go. And boom. There it is, man. Works like a charm, no problem. Just be careful, take your time. It's a cheap tool. Don't torque too hard on it. Don't get too nutty. Just guide it down and works great. Cheers.
Thanks for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe. Please and thank you.
Good job. Make sure you bring it back with a full tank.
Okay.